You are going to love the 2024 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.